In today's video, I am going to teach you how to find test API keys in a Stripe Sandbox. Start by making sure you are already signed into your Stripe dashboard and that you are working in the correct Stripe account. This is important if you manage more than one account because each account has its own settings and credentials. Next, switch to the Sandbox environment that you want to use for testing. Stripe keeps Sandbox and live environments separate, so take a moment to confirm that you are viewing the Sandbox and not your live environment. This helps you avoid copying the wrong credentials. Once you are in the correct sandbox, go to the left-hand navigation menu and click Developers. Inside the Developers section, open API keys. This will take you to the page where Stripe stores the credentials for that environment. On the API keys page, look for the Standard Keys section. This is where you will find the main keys used for a typical test integration. First, locate the publishable key. In a sandbox, the publishable key will begin with the test prefix used by Stripe. If you need to use it in your application, click the Copy button next to that key. Before you move on, make sure you are copying the sandbox version and not a live key. Then find the secret key. This is also listed in the Standard Keys section. If it is hidden, use the available Reveal or Copy option to access it. Again, check that you are working with the sandbox version before using it anywhere in your setup. After that, place each key in the correct location in your application or development environment. The publishable key belongs in the part of your integration that runs on the client side. The secret key should only be used in a secure server-side or back-end environment. Do not place the secret key in front-end code or anywhere it could be exposed publicly. As a final check, verify that you have copied the correct test credentials for the sandbox you selected. Then paste the appropriate key into the matching configuration field in your project, so your Stripe test integration can run properly. Once that is done, your Stripe Sandbox API keys are located and ready to use for testing. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.